A set-in sleeve always measures longer than the opening of your armhole. Therefore, you need to ease some of the your sleeve length into your armhole opening. Your pattern should give you reference points as to where to place your easing stitches. If you don't have reference points, then it will be from your notches in the front of your sleeve to the notches in your back, the back of your sleeve, or just before that. To ease, basically what you're doing is placing basting stitches just shy of your pattern seam allowance. Do not backstitch. From the one point to the other point. Now that you have those basting stitches in there, go and finish your sleeve, the side seam of your sleeve. If you want to go and add your cuff on now, if you have a cuff, or finish your hem, now's a great time to do it. Now you'll place your sleeve inside your garment, matching up your side seam and pinning. Match up your notches. And work your way towards the sleeve cap. Once you get to the sleeve cap, there should be a notch that you will match up with your shoulder seam. And then you'll want to pull one side, one of the threads of your basting stitches to help ease the sleeve in at the cap. Evenly distribute these little puckers as you pin along. So that when you sew, you don't see them. Once you have your sleeve pinned in place, then you'll sew it. Sew your sleeve in with the sleeve side facing up. So I have my front and back is what's down on my machine. It might be kind of hard to see, but my sleeve is facing up, and I'm going to go around the opening of my sleeve hole. This will allow you to make any adjustments within the ease as you're sewing. And to eliminate any puckers. Now my sleeve has been sewn in. If you see any puckers or anything in there that need to be fixed, you can go and, like, there's a little one that I'm kind of seeing right there, but it might be able to be pressed out. You can go and undo part of the seam and fix that. If you see your basting stitches, go ahead and just pull those out. With a seam ripper, or you can literally pull them out. And then go and finish this seam however you need to with either an overlock stitch on your sewing machine or with your serger, and then press your seam towards your sleeve.